Hello everyone, in this video we will fix the code execution cannot proceed DLL error. First, install or update Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable. This is one of the most common causes. Go to the official Microsoft Visual C++ download page. Download both the x64 version and the x86 version if available. Run each installer, choose install or repair, then finish the process. After that, restart your computer. If the error still appears, repair your system files. Click the Start menu, search for Command Prompt and open Command Prompt as administrator. Type sfc/scan now and press Enter. Wait for the scan to complete. It will automatically fix corrupted files. Then restart your PC again. If the issue continues, reinstall the program causing the error. Uninstall the affected software completely. Download a fresh copy from the official website and install it again. This will replace missing or broken DLL dependencies and usually solves the problem. Thanks for watching.